Mission start!
Kyle,
And it's Denzel.
and today we have for you NES for iPhone.
Requested by
Someone.
We kind of
Yeah,
deleted it.
we just spent the last 15 minutes searching our inbox for it, but we don't know.
Yeah.
So if you did it and you would like your name up here on the world stage for everybody to see, just leave it in the comments. We're kind of stupid.
Yeah.
We apologize. But not to waste any more time, what we are going to do is show you how to get NES3, a paid application in Cydia, for free.
666.
Yeah, that's my RSS feed.
Holy
It was
crap.
1,056 before I cleaned it out a little bit this morning. Whatever. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go into Cydia and show you what's up, basically. Yeah.
That's a pretty cool thing. What is it?
It's called Picnic V2, and it actually has a Summerboard or a SB settings theme to go with it.
Really, that's pretty cool.
It's pretty neat. Yeah, I like it. So what you have to do in this is add an additional source, and I think, did we show them how to do that in How to Cydia?
I don't know, but so few people watch How to Cydia. I think you should just go over that again.
All right. So since I already have the source, I'm obviously not going to do this, but what you're going to do is you're going to go over into Manage, the Manage tab over here. That's so cool, down at the bottom. And once it loads, go to Sources. Stop dancing. I'm going to kill you. All right, go over to Manage and hit Sources.
Your internet's running a little slow.
Yeah, it is running pretty slow today. I don't know why. Ah.
Well, what can we talk about? We can.
This is why I hate using this. I'd rather use this. Alright, so we got this loaded up. We're going to go to Sources. And we're going to go to Edit. And then Add. And you see the xalize.com/Cydia 234567. So you'll do is you'll go over to Edit. And this ad's going to come up. You're going to go ahead and type that in. So we're going to go xalize. Oops.
Well, I'm guessing we're going to have this pop up on the
Yeah,
screen.
we're going to show this on the screen so you guys can add this in. And it'll be over in the description as well. So you'll be able to get that there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cancel out of this. What you would normally do is go to Add Source. It'll refresh. We're going to head over to Sections. And what you'll notice is that when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see X apps, lowercase x apps, which must be just someone that repoed it incorrectly, X games, and X graphics.
The X makes it cool.
Yeah, extreme. And so you'll know that these are from the Xalize source. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into X Games. And you're going to see, since we already have it installed, it's not going to be here. But I think we should go to Manage Package and show you basically what it will look like. And it's going to look like under N, NES3, and then under it's going to have an NES3 for free, and a smiley face under it. And also included in this source, which is pretty nice, is NES ROMs packs, which are pretty nice. And so what that allows you to do is that without having to use a computer, which we're going to show you in a little bit, add a ton of ROMs to your iPod or iPhone that start with H2M, N2S, and all the way through the alphabet. So you can eventually have like hundreds of these because they're relatively small sized games. Whereas with the PSX, you probably break the bank after like 2 of them.
Yeah, that doesn't work very well.
Yeah. So that's what it will look like. Go ahead and you can even go into the search tab and search for it. Just type in NES. And you're going to see other two, and we'll go under N. Just click search and go under N. And the originals will be there. And so make sure you do not get caught by those two, because now that you just added them, obviously there's going to be these 3 that we're going to show up. And once the screen capture catches up with us, I'll go over them.
So,
Yeah.
those are cool glasses, Kyle.
I'm going to kill you, Denzel. Alright, so you're going to see NES emulator for iPhone, do not email. The one that's not blue is the old version, that's for 2.0 and below, that's for free still. NES3 is an NES emulator for iPhone, do not email obviously, but that one's highlighting blue, which means it's a pay package in Cydia. NES, the old version, does not work on 3.0, and so the NES 3, if you wanted to run it on 3.0 firmware, you'd have to purchase it. But since we have right below it, as you can see, NES 3 for free, we can go ahead and install that. And so you have that option, and you also have, we have some sources in the description where you can get some ROMs from both Cydia. You can just go ahead and add the source like we showed you earlier in the video. Or you can go on to the internet, and we're going to show you that aspect right now. So we're going to head back to the Springboard and go ahead and launch our web browser and meet you right back here. From Chiron Beta Prime.
Alright, well, welcome back from our break.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our web browser and we're going to type in Dope ROMs. Now if you go to Google and you type in ROM, ROM, you'll get a ton of websites as you can see as you scroll down. But this is a good website because it has a pretty good variety. And I like it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Nintendo NES and be greeted with that disgusting
Dear
ad.
God. What is this?
Okay. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to see a lot of ROMs. And so you're just going to basically pick one. We'll go to page 8 because I like the number 8. Okay. And we'll go with Alien 3. Why not? So what you're going to do is you're going to click it. It's going to be download ROM. Alright, blah, blah, blah. Tons of advertisements. They got to pay for this site somehow because it is all free. It's going to download up as a .NES file. That's what you're looking for. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and minimize our web browser and go back over to, I don't know, where should we put this, Enzo?
It doesn't matter.
But it doesn't really matter. Alright, so you're going to take this file and basically we're going to put it in the correct directory. And so to show you that best, I think we should go over to the actual NES application, which is the little guy holding the NES icon, which is up here in the top left-hand corner. And it's going to show you, I already have a ton of games because I have those 2 ROMs packs installed. So it's going to take a bit to load up here. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to the correct directory. And so we'll have that up. And from my memory, I believe it is private, once it loads, private, var, mobile, media, ROMs, and since we have NES downloaded, we also have PSX. You can see our video, go to our channel, and here it will show you all of your ROMs you have installed currently on your device, and as you can see I have a crap load, all conveniently in alphabetical order because I downloaded those ROM packs. And so that's a pretty quick way to have a whole ton of them. But if you want a specific one, such as Alien 3, just basically go into this Show and Finder, and then we'll go ahead and drag it in. Alright, so we'll take this, drag it in. So as you can see, they're all .NES files. And the transfer agent will take care of that. And, yeah. Allow.
And now we wait.
And now we play the waiting game.
Oh, it's done.
I believe so. Alright, and so now, if we go over to our iPod here, I believe, if we get out of the application, go back to the screen, and go back into it, we will have our brand new Alien 3 something from, when was the NES out? There it is. Yay! Woo! And that's how you do it using, yeah.
A computer?
A computer. And it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. From there, you know, you can go to any website. But if some websites present you with a folder of stuff and there's like zip files and stuff, make sure you find the .NES file, because if you put anything else in there, like with the PSX, you have to have multiple files. But this really just drag in the NES file and it should work. And yeah, pretty much that's what's going on.
Alien 3.
Epic.
Alright, well, so the sources will be in the description?
Yep, sources will be in the description. We got a couple others for some other emulators. If you guys have any questions, you know, leave them in the comments. You can PM us. PM us probably would be, or a personal message. I'm getting my slang going. But if you personal message us, we'll be able to, you know, answer you right away and stuff.
Alright, well.
So, yeah.
Are we done?
I think that's all.
Alright, bye.
All right.